Hey guys, I just wanted to make you a quick video to show you the tires or the wheels that I got for the rolling chair that I got. It's a replacement. And you know what? I've gotten these before and I just wanted to say how cool they are. And God, they're amazing. The quality, just by feeling them, you can tell right away that they're made with really great quality materials. Look at how pretty they are. They look like roller skates. That's what it reminds me of. But look at the wheels. Look at how cool they are. Besides, it makes your chair look cool. It's got double the tire, so it's so much better, you know, for like weight purposes, I suppose. So, you know, it's like they're more steady. So you get 5 of them. There's the 5, and I'm gonna be replacing them soon, and I'll post pictures of the before and after, how they look. But yes, I highly recommend them. These are awesome. Like I said, I already gotten another type of tire for my other desk chair, and they're just awesome. So, you know, when these popped out, I was like, yes, I'm gonna get them definitely, because I already know how good they work. So yeah, if you're wondering, I highly recommend them. They're awesome, and yeah, they're just great.
Look at these bad boys. Okay, I installed them on an old chair in my shop. And I mean, this thing's old. And I had to put on some special brackets, but I got those from Amazon too. But listen, this is so cool. And I got a rough floor, and they just roll perfect. I highly suggest these for any shop environment or anything. Great little wheels.
Just glides so easily. Much better than these wheels that came with the chair. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.